Good morning, good afternoon, good evening viewers. Welcome to another LMS game of the season for Maida Vale Cricket Club. Fantastic shot there by Arjun. Maida Vale won the toss and are batting first. Oh, unlucky for Arjun. It's clean ball then. Beautiful shot there by Pav. Should be 6 runs. Yes, it is. Another shot down the ground. Just over the boundary, 6 runs. Akash joining the party with another 6. A little bit shot, and that's 4 runs. A lot of people watching the game, so you always concerned if someone might get hurt. That's 4 runs. That is 4 runs as well. Just clipped off his legs. It's straight down the ground to the fielder this time. But no, the fielder just let it go for 4. That is going to go all the way in the crowd for 6 runs. That is just flicked off his legs. 4 runs and is 50. Beautiful shot by Akash. What a great batsman he is. He hits the ball so hard. That's full toss, and that's 6 runs. Otherwise the ball does swing. Great shot by UJ.
Good shot.
Very, very good batsman, technically sound.
Good shot, Akash.
Just love the way Akash is. Shot on jab almost. See again.
Good shot, Akash.
Bat speed is phenomenal. Another beautiful shot right in the crowd. And that's another. Takes an Akash is 50, I think. Yep. Great shot down the ground by UJ. Joined by Manoj, who's an LMS legend. I'll leave in the description below his stats. He's fantastic. 4 runs. Nicely clipped away for 6 runs. This time straight down the ground. Just over the boundary line for 6 runs. What a beautiful shot. Up and over, 4 runs. Beautiful shot by UJ.
Watch out.
Using his power this time. Oh, unlucky UJ. Very good batsman he is. New batsman in is Rehan. Nice way to open the account. 4 runs. That would be another boundary if the fielder is messing. Yeah, the fielder can't stop it. Another boundary. That is. Oh, straight to the fielder. That's out. Nice shot by Manoj there. 6 runs. Oh, what a shot there by Manoj. 1 leg up. Almost to 1 bounce. 4 runs. Beautiful. Just. Oh, the fielder messes it up. 4 runs. Should be a catch or 6. Just over the fielder. 6 runs. Manoj is 50. Well done to Manoj. That's Param batting, and he's just put 1 down the ground. And Shri is in full mood to get him run out, and so he does. That brings Pav back on the strike. That is 6 runs.
Shot. Normally 40 overs, no chance. I'm not playing that.
Oh, what a beautiful shot there. Ball stayed a bit low, but it's 4 runs. Really nice well played by Shri. 4 runs. Another cut shot. 4 runs. Beautiful shot there by Shri again. That'll be another boundary. Oh, didn't quite time it, didn't quite middle it, but I think the ball will still run away 4 runs because there's no fielder there. Yeah, it's 4 runs. Up in the air, should be an easy catch. Yes, it is. Yes. Fantastic. Akash should just come in and smoke them away for 6 runs. I think there are approximately 200 people watching the game, and it's surprising that no one's got hit by the ball so far. It's up in the air, probably not reaching the fielder, and it won't reach the boundary either. Shri is going to look for his 2nd run out of the match. Yes, he is, and let's see if Akash can make it back. No, he can't. He's run out. Shri opening the bowling. Good stuff by Shri. Oh, he's cleaned him up. I think the batsman's not there. He wants to run, but it's clean bowled. That's another edge. Burris is not out. Oh, this time edge and 4 runs. Button hit straight down the ground. Oh, he's taken the catch, but is on the boundary line. 6 runs. Nicely pulled away 4 runs. The bowler in his Param. Burnham's taking retirement from white ball cricket. Good shot there by the batsman. Should be 4 runs. Yeah, Burnham's taking retirement from white ball cricket to focus on his red ball career. Oh, just over the boundary. 6 runs. Straight down. Could be a catch. No, just over the boundary. What a shot. Shot on jab for 4 runs.
Watch out!
The bowler is Manoj. Another 4. Wow. Straight down the ground again. 4 runs. What a beautiful shot. That's 4 runs. Another beautiful shot. Some really nice shots on the off. 4 runs. Bit of a misfield there though. Did we catch? No. Oh. Unlucky there. 4 runs. Nice shot, nice shot. Should be stopped. Oh no, that's 4 runs as well. Nicely cut away. Really beautiful shot. Should be 4 runs. A beautiful shot, cautious, a little bit short. Scapulate. Full toss, straight down the ground. No fielder there, 4 runs. This time over the fielder. Should be 6. Beautiful shot again. This time between the 2 fielders and 4 runs. What a catch there by UJ, and he's got excited and forgotten about the double play. Oh, nicely done there with the batsman. 4 runs. Very friendly bunch these ABD guys are. That's a huge 6. This time up in the air, and UJ calls for it. He's running backwards. What a beautiful catch. And this time he doesn't forget to do a double play. Well done, UJ. And you see a lot of those people walking inside the boundary line. God knows what it will take for them to understand in this game of cricket going on. They shouldn't be doing that. But that's not hard. So that's the end of the innings. Maida will win. It was a high scoring game. We hope you enjoyed the coverage. If you did, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll bring you another video very soon. Thank you very much for watching.